Good morning, welcome back to Just Cook. Today we're going to continue in some of our pasta recipes and I'm going to show you how to do a pasta with a tomato and pepperoni sauce. It's fairly straightforward, quite quick to do, and a really rich and smoky pasta dish for lunch or dinner. So let's crack on and get it done. Okay, so I've got my ingredients here. We've got our pepperoni and chorizo sausage. We've got some diced peppers, yellow and red. You can use what mixture you like. I've got the onions chopped, garlic chopped. I've got some tinned tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, tomato puree. In here I've got paprika and the oregano. And then I'm going to use the rigatoni. You can use whatever pasta you want. I'm going to use the rigatoni as we've got some of this in the house today. So let's crack on and start to make this. Okay, so I've got my pan here. I've got some oil in there. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. I've just got vegetable oil in there. I'm going to get that hot. You can do it in a small pot as well. I'm going to do it in a frying pan just so it's easier to film. I've got another pot here on just for the pasta, and I'm going to put that on now so we can get that boiling as well, so that can start cooking. Now for the pasta, just use the packet instructions, see what it says for how long. They're all slightly different, just see what the cooking times are on whatever pasta you're using. So first of all I'm going to pop in the onions, get that cooking. Cook them for a few minutes, just get them nice and translucent. Don't want to brown them too much, just want to get them frying softly just to start getting that cooking before we put our other ingredients in. Now with the pasta, for the boiling water, make sure you put plenty of salt, nice salty water to cook the pasta, so a good bit of salt, and I always put a little dash of oil on in the pan as well, just to keep it from sticking. So that's all going to come to the boil. Just going to pop my pasta in while that's cooking. So I've just got that on now, let that cook away, simmer away. So onions are starting to cook nicely. Just let them cook for 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so they've been cooking for 3 to 4 minutes now. You can see there's no colour in them, but they're starting to go translucent. I'm going to add in the pepper and fry that for a few more minutes. Get all of that. After a lot of cooking, it's about not what frying. It's about just getting those flavours into the dish, getting things cooked down, but not always so quickly, just taking that little bit more time. I've got it on a sort of medium to high heat. I'm just going to again cook those down a bit before we add the rest of our remainder of our ingredients. So let them cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. Right, so as you can see, that the peppers now, capsicums, are starting to go a little bit translucent and cooking down nicely. Starting to smell very yummy. So now we're going to pop in our oregano and paprika, pop that in like that. We're going to drop in our tomato puree, so I'll cut the tablespoon, I'm just going to squeeze it. And then we're going to pop in our chopped tomatoes, tinned tomatoes. Now I'm doing half the recipe here. The recipe's for 4 people, I'm just doing this for me and my wife. So I'm just going to have a couple of portions really. Then just bring this to a simmer and let this cook down. So let it come up to the boil and then simmer it for about 20 minutes. We're going to pop in the sausage, of course. But I say I've got chorizo and I've got pepperoni here. You can use just pepperoni if you want, but the chorizo gives it a really sort of, you know, just a little bit of spice to it. Nothing really hot, but just a little sort of lift and flavour, and it's that little bit more smoky, I think. So just gives two sausage flavours that just bring it to a little bit of a better combination. So we're just going to let that really cook down now. I'll bring that to the boil, and then gently I'm going to pop a lid on it, just because I don't want to make a load of mess. It'll just come up. So you can see it's coming up to the boil now. I'm going to pop the lid on that, and then I'm going to turn it down. Okay, so this has been cooking down now for a good 20 minutes. I'm just going to taste it. That sausage flavour is so lovely. So, I'm just going to season it up a little bit. Put salt and pepper. Just finish it. And that really is a yummy sauce. Very easy to make. Very quick. And up and down to you if you like pepperoni. This is the sauce for your pasta, for your tea. So, what we're going to do now is I'll just turn that off for a second. And then I'm going to take a bowl, because I've just drained my pasta. So the pasta's all ready. So I'm just going to pop the pasta into a bowl, and then what I like to do is just a little bit of salt and pepper on that, just to make sure we've got all our seasoning right for it. Just make sure you're seeing this. Okay, and then parsley onto the pasta, and it's up to you, but I've got some grated parmesan, and then I'm just going to mix this up, just because it just gets a nice coating for the pasta and for the dish. So, because what I'm going to do is not mix the two, I'm going to put one on top of the other. But you could easily pour the sauce in here, mix it all up if that's what you'd like to do. Then I'm going to pop that into, I'll just pop some of this into this dish first, just so you can see it. So that gets a nice coating of the herbs and the cheese on it. And then just a real good spoon of this lovely sauce on top with all the peppers. Doesn't that look lovely? Looks so yummy, yeah. Just and that is a little bit of pasta heaven, really. Just sprinkle a little bit of parsley that's left over for the chefy effect. Doesn't that look absolutely scrummy? That makes an absolute lovely meal. Make it, send me your pictures. Thanks for watching us, and keep up all the comments and feedback that we're getting on our website and on our Facebook pages. Really appreciate it. I hope you really enjoy this dish. It really is yummy. Have a good day. Take care.